Hello, in this video I want to show you the top tricks you can use on POCO C40 camera. So let's open up the camera, and here the first trick which you might not know about is that you can take a burst shot. And burst shot is that you can take multiple amount of copies of a photo with a single slide or click. So to do this, simply hold the shutter and slide it to the right or left, and that way you'll be able to take the burst shot. Next is just click on a screen, that way it will focus on a specific portion of the screen or image, and then you will see this sun icon on it. So click on it. It's a bit tricky. So do it like this, then hold your finger onto it, and you'll be able to change the brightness of your picture with this slider right here. Next is a option to, let's go for the photo again. Option to use HDR. You can use HDR automatic or HDR always, and simply disable HDR, and I would recommend using the HDR without automatic, as it changes the quality of your pictures drastically, but in some way it blocks a few features on the camera as well, so just use it however you like, but if you want the best image quality, use that setting. Now let's go for the next one, and then open settings. Here we can change picture quality to the high. Make sure that you're using this one, but what I wanted to show you here is to disable shutter sound, and now if we take a picture, there won't be any sound. Open your settings for the next one, and here find the save location info, and that way if you take a picture with this setting enabled, you'll be able to see where this picture was taken. If you press on it, then navigate to the information about it, details right here, and it should say somewhere right here where it was taken, but I think I don't have any location settings enabled, and that way we won't be able to see the location, but if you allowed your camera to have it, you should see it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.